Today we're going to be installing the Front Runner Slimeline II roof rack on the Land Rover Discovery that you see behind me. I know there are going to be some challenges with this, particularly getting the caps off of the rails here. I think you're going to have to break them, which is kind of painful. I took it to Land Rover the other day. They didn't have a way to get them out. So I'm just going to have to sacrifice the caps so that we can put the rails on here that the roof rack will sit on. This cap right here comes out of the rail that's already mounted to the top of the Land Rover. The problem is there's no gap, there's no way to get it out. You can even see a nick right here on this picture. So you pretty much have to commit to destroying this cap so that you can get to these bolts here. Now the last thing I want to do is break something on a new vehicle, but that's what it takes to get this roof rack installed. It's pretty poor design, but it is what it is. And that's the problem right there. Damn. Damn it. When it resorts to a hammer and a screwdriver, it's pretty terrible. I don't really know what else to do. I've nicked it up there. I think I just have to commit here. Try to get that as far down there as possible. This is a freaking nightmare. So close. Damn. See, that's what I was trying to avoid. So I basically broke this. So that's good. So all this right here is what I was trying to avoid. Good design, Land Rover. And there's another one. It really is a terrible design that there is no way to get into these, to push this tab without taking a hammer and a screwdriver to it. So that's the tab right there. It's on both sides. You have to push those in and then pry it out. there's one. I'm gonna leave it loose to come back and just make sure if I need to position it one way or the other. It's got a little bit of room here to slide, so I'm gonna leave it right there, and then we can tighten everything up. So in the original kit that I got, I received this side rail, 2 of these side rails that are too long for the Discovery. I was putting the slats in and noticed a gap and started looking at it. Reached out to Front Runner and they confirmed they sent the wrong parts. So they overnighted the correct part, but they only sent 1. I need 2 for the roof rack. So now I'm in a bind that I don't have time to wait for them to send another, but I have these that are too long. So I'm going to try to line this up and cut this long one to see if I can make it work versus waiting for them to fix the issue. Well, there it is, the Front Runner Slimeline II. Not the way I thought the install would go. I really didn't want to take the hammer and screwdriver to the rails to get those caps off, but that's the way it was. You can't see it with the rack on top, which is good. It's what I thought would happen, which is why I ended up going ahead and doing that route. But still, I think Land Rover can do better than that. I think that's a poor design. And then the Front Runner Slimeline II, great rack, looks sturdy, I'm excited to put it to use, but that install was a pain, having to saw that piece just to make it fit, because the second shipment they sent did not include both pieces, only came with one. I hated to saw that piece in half. I've got to put this rack to use in 2 days. I don't have time to wait for another shipment. Am I happy with the rack? Yeah, I think it looks good. I've got a fly rod holder that I'm going to install. We're going to see how it is on the highway, what the wind noise is going to be like, and if I have to move around the wind deflectors up there. But I'm happy with it. The install was not the best thing ever, but that's all right. It's up there now, and I think it looks good. Thanks for watching this video. There will be more. I'll do another one on the fly rod install, and look for more videos from Big River Overland. Thanks for watching.